Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Gala token, see what is happening, and give you guys my daily analysis on the price. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As we're looking at the overall markets, at this point, you're seeing pretty much everything that is up, besides a few handful coins, including Gala. So what you're starting to see right now happen is Gala is down 7% on the last, 24 hours. So it's definitely seeing a little bit of a cool off after having a significant rally. Just a quick reminder, it's up 53.2% over the past 1 week alone. And for GameFi projects, guess what? Gala is the biggest standout. Look at Sand, only up 11.6%. So if you're just making a comparison alone, this right here is definitely outpacing as far as GameFi is concerned. So before anyone comes out and says, oh, Gala is down about 7%, what exactly is going on? I really hope you guys understand on the yearly time frame, it's up 121%, and even that is a little inaccurate. Of course, when you look at the charts, it kind of makes sense as to how much it has really come up over the past few months alone. So let's take it a step further, see what is happening with the price, and of course what we could be expecting. But before I do get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Gala today, it's currently sitting at 7 cents. So definitely it's down right now. You can see it's down about 6.4% in USD comparative. It's also down about 10% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparatives as of now. So looking at its market cap, 2.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $700 million, which has also decreased compared to yesterday. So that's as far as its price goes, that's happening. But if you really are part of the Gala community, you understand the developments that are happening. We saw a massive news that came out about 2 weeks back, which was of course the launch of Gala Swap. This changes everything, just completely changes everything, and kind of shows the power of Gala to other developers that are looking to other chains. And of course, as you know, Gala is its own layer 1 blockchain. So that's really exciting to see. And as of now, as we can pretty much see, we're seeing the narrative continuing to play out. And what I mean by that is layer 1s and layer 2s are continuing to dominate, and Gala's move does not come as a surprise to myself. But if we're looking at BTC right now in terms of dominance index, it's going up right now, and again, should not be coming as a surprise because we did see Bitcoin pushing towards the all-time high yesterday as we started off Monday morning, which I discussed with you guys in our previous update, which was just yesterday. I discussed the way Bitcoin is holding right now, we could see a push towards an all-time high, and we did see as we started off Monday Bitcoin pushing above $72,000, and I'm starting to see people that I never ever thought would be into crypto that are starting to actually message me because they know I love crypto and I'm a crypto enthusiast. Hey, Crypto ZX, what should we get ourselves into? Which coin is good? Where should I put $100? This and that. And when you start seeing this, me personally, I start to take that quite serious. Not a lot of people might think that people might joke about that, haha, look at these people coming in, but that just tells you time is going super fast. And before you know it, in a snap of a finger, we're going to be at the end of the year, and that's where we should be coming very close towards the top. And speaking about the top, no one can predict the top. And I hope everyone understands that. If you're going by some YouTuber or some other influencer, including myself, like I've always said, I will never tell you where the top is. You could kind of guesstimate it historically, but in my personal opinion, historically speaking, it should be somewhere early next year. And again, what I mean by early next year is Q1, and in which months we don't know. So this is where your strategy comes into play. So that's that. Obviously new FOMO definitely coming in, and like I said, the best way to understand is how I just given you an example where I'm seeing people I know that are reaching out to me asking me about crypto help. That just kind of tells you where we are in terms of the market. But if you're looking at Gala, this has gone up quite substantially. And yes, I don't want the true holders to really let these negative comments come and get you. What I basically mean by is February 1st. I'm not talking about last year. I'm just talking about this year alone. February 1st, one Gala token, sorry, February 5th, but whatever, one Gala token was at about 2.1 cents. And if you were accumulating Gala at that point, and you held it till now, you did see a rally of 304% in a month's time. And that happened right after we broke out of that key resistance for the good and hitting a new yearly high, and boom, off we go. And we are through the races. And you can pretty much see this for yourself. We discussed this on the 10th of March, which was just 2 days back. We went above this key resistance for the first time ever. And not did we just go above it and have just a quick wick above it. We did see a daily close 2 times, but we're seeing a little bit of a pullback below it right now. But what you're starting to see is the fact that it broke out of that, it has introduced itself to these levels. And now that we're in this bull market, when the demand is really high, this can help this push up even higher. And I think Gala has everything for itself to get up to that 12.3 cents mark. Of course, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take some time. But honestly, that is the target I'm looking at right now. Of course, you are seeing, let me just quickly go below to the hourly time frame. There we are. So of course, you're seeing right now, the price below that key resistance, of course, which turned into support over the past 2 days. You can pretty much see this for yourself. We were being supported by here, but today we did see the price going below that support line, which is totally okay. After a 300% move, I hope you guys understand a pullback of 19% is more than normal. But what happens now? The question that you guys might have right now is, what happens if we lose this support where we currently are being supported by? And that's a good question to be asking. So the next main support for Gala is going to be at 6.6 cents. If we were to lose this support, and this support right here where it's currently at is a significant support line. And if we were to break that support, it could go down another 5%. That's the next significant support. And now if that is not able to hold, we could even retest the likes of 6.1 cents mark. And again, if you want to put that into perspective, that is a move of about 12.2% from the current price levels. And that would be okay. Let me tell you, that would still be okay, because let me give you a quick reminder. Just from February 26th, like I said, a gain of 182%, and this is just from February 26th, not early Feb. A pullback like this, more than normal. So that would be totally fine. But obviously, if you want the most bullish scenario, you do want to see Gala holding above this resistance. Obviously, it's playing as a resistance now. If it's able to stay above there, totally okay. We are seeing BTC seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, and I think this can also impact the price for Gala right now. So do pay very close attention to BTC, of course, but I am very, very confident that Gala could be one of the top gainers this bull cycle. But we could sit here and talk all about top this, top that. You need to be making an exit strategy, because if you're just going to be holding your back without having an exit strategy in place, you're going to get burnt out. So if you've made massive mistakes in the last cycle, you did not end up locking in profits, well, this cycle you don't want to make that mistake, because arguably this could be the last biggest bull market that we see, because regulators are coming in. So strategize your exit strategy. Very, very important. But that is it for today's update. Do let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.